and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make the famous Portuguese egg tart. For me, Pastel de Nata is the best custard tart ever. I do remember the first time I tried them in Lisbon. The flaky crust and the rich filling make it so special. You know what? My mouth is watering and I can't wait anymore. Let's do it.
Add salt into flour along with 30 grams of cold butter. Mix it with your hand until it becomes crumbly. Add water and mix it until the dough comes together. Knead the dough for 2 minutes. Shape it into a rectangle and cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rest in the fridge for half an hour. Sprinkle some flour on both sides and roll it into 25 by 35 centimeters. Apply a thin layer of soft butter all over the dough. Fold it like a letter. Sprinkle some flour and roll it into 35 by 15 centimeters. Apply another layer of soft butter on top of the dough and fold it again. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for half an hour. After half an hour, cut the dough in half and start with rolling out the first one as thin as possible. Remove the excess flour from top of the dough using a brush. Here we go again. Apply another layer of soft butter on top of the dough. Roll it up tightly. Do the same with the second one. After spreading the butter, place the first roll in it and roll it over. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest in your fridge for half an hour. To make the custard, scrape out the vanilla seeds, add them into a saucepan along with milk, cinnamon stick, lemon zest, water and sugar. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Remember, if you're using a lemon zest in any kind of recipe, use a peeler and move it slowly over the lemon and take the yellow parts off, not the white part underneath, because it gets bitter and bitter, especially when you're cooking it. So be careful about that. When we say lemon zest, we mean only the yellow layer of the zest. Add flour into cornstarch and mix them together. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and pour the milk mixture through a fine sieve. Add liquid into the dry ingredients little by little and mix them using a whisk. Pour it into a saucepan along with the rest of the liquid. Cook the custard over low heat, whisking constantly. It takes 5 to 8 minutes until the custard is thickened. Add butter and mix it with the custard. Let it cool before adding the egg yolks. Add egg yolks and then pour it through a fine sieve. Cut the dough into equal pieces and then place them flat on the bottom of the molds. Press them with your thumbs until the dough covers the inside of the mold. Fill them with custard and then bake them in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius for about 20 minutes. The top of the tarts should be caramelized. You'll see black and dark brown spots here and there. Then you know that they're ready.